Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's cooking episode, we are going to be making fried shrimp. Guys, I believe well seasoned, fried perfectly shrimp is pure goodness. And the key to perfect fried shrimp is to use a large shrimp. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna make seasoned flour. Mix together flour, salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Use a whisk to mix everything together. Now let's move on to work on the mixture for dipping into the milk. Add 1 egg, then whisk everything together until well combined. This looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and bread the shrimp. Here I'm using large shrimp, tails on. Now let's start to bread the shrimp. Coat the shrimp in a seasoned flour and make sure it's all coated. Next, shake off the excess flour, then dip into the milk mixture, let it drip, then coat in breadcrumbs. After coating in breadcrumbs, shake off excess, then place on a cutting board. Continue with the same steps until all the shrimp is used up. Now we are done with breading the shrimp. Allow the shrimp to sit for 10 minutes at room temperature. This will help the coating to adhere to the shrimp. Now heat oil in a large skillet over medium high heat. After 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and fry the shrimp. Now add shrimp to the hot oil, leaving spaces in between. Cook the shrimp for 2 minutes on each side. Flip the shrimp over, then continue to cook for another 2 minutes. And to tell if your shrimp is done, guys, the shrimp will start to curl and it will have an opaque pinky color and the tails will be red. The shrimp looks good, guys. Now we're gonna drain on paper towels and it's ready to be served. There you have it, guys. Delicious fried shrimp. I hope you enjoyed this video. I served mine with Sriracha sauce. You can serve them with your favorite sauce. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. Let me know in the comments down below how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.